क्या आप मेरे साथ एक कप कॉफी पियोगे?
This is Diet X by Dr. Swati Patwal.
देखिए, जब भी कोई डेटिंग की बात करता है तो उसे सबसे पहले चाय या फिर कॉफी ऑफर करता है। वो कहते हैं ना, कॉफी पे मिलते हैं। और बिजनेस मीटिंग्स भी तो कॉफी पे होती है। या फिर जिम जाने के पहले भी आजकल लोगों को एक नया क्रेज मिला है, जिम के पहले एक कप कॉफी। अगर नींद ना आ रही हो तब भी कॉफी, और अगर दोस्तों के साथ कहीं जाना हो तो सबसे पहले कहते हैं लेट्स गो फॉर अ कॉफी। सो व्हाट इज दिस कॉफी दैट मेक्स अस सो हैप्पी? क्या एक कप कॉफी है काफी? एंड हाउ मच ऑफ अ गुड कॉफी एंड विच इज द बेस्ट कॉफी? सो दिस पॉड इज फॉर ऑल कॉफी लवर्स। तो फिर चलिए सुनते हैं कॉफी विद स्वाति। आखिर तक सुनिएगा, क्योंकि मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि कौन सी कॉफी इज द बेस्ट कॉफी प्री वर्कआउट। पता है, अगर मुझसे कोई पूछे, दिस इज माई लाइक पर्सनल चॉइस। I think every cup of coffee is a lost opportunity to drink water or green tea. But for all coffee lovers who are waiting to hear some good things about coffee, I have some excellent news, like some happy news for you. सबसे पहले सुनते हैं कि is coffee good? See, when we drink a cup of coffee or two, it will increase our metabolic rate. यानी resting metabolic rate increases by 10%. पता है, just by measuring the temperature of the skin, you can tell if someone has consumed coffee. The heat goes up. Our skin temperature rises by half a degree after drinking coffee for up to 2 hours after drinking 2 cups of coffee. और तो और 1 cup of coffee, और ये मैं सिर्फ काली वाली कॉफी की बात कर रही हूँ, यानी ब्लैक कॉफी, burns 17 extra calories. देखिए, एक कप कॉफी में आपको 2 कैलोरी मिलती है. सो इट्स बेसिकली आवर बॉडी बर्न्स अप टू 15 कैलोरीज फॉर अ कप. सो इफ यू हैव 4 cups of coffee, which is like the upper limit for the day, you burn 60 calories easily. And this one is for men. It lowers the risk of prostate cancer. It also helps in preventing Parkinson's, controls diabetes and depression and liver diseases as well. Now, research also shows that coffee drinkers tend to live longer than non-coffee drinkers if they drink 4 cups of black coffee a day. वाह जी वाह, ये तो बड़ी अच्छी न्यूज़ है कि नहीं? बट इसमें भी कौन सी कॉफी है ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है, वो भी बताऊंगी। पर और थोड़े हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स भी अब सुन लीजिए। कॉफी के बड़े हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स हैं। इफ यू ड्रिंक कॉफी प्रोटेक्ट्स यू फ्रॉम chronic hepatitis. Drinking 2 cups of black coffee a day can improve Parkinson's symptoms within 2 to 3 weeks. Research also shows that weightlifters can squat 600 pounds, yani 250 kgs more of their repetitions. And runners can run 6 seconds of their miles or kilometers even more or faster after drinking black coffee. Now, how coffee gets metabolized in the body depends on the differences in the gut bacteria. ऐसा कई बार होता है ना कि एक कप कॉफी can be too strong for us, या फिर even 3 cups of coffee doesn't help. All people metabolize caffeine differently. Some people are slow, some people are fast caffeine metabolizers. Some people drink 3 to 4 cups a day, and some people drink just 1 a day. Now, some people also complain of reflux, जो एक तरह से heartburn वाली फीलिंग आती है. Research actually shows that coffee causes acid reflux by changing the pH in our GI tract. यानी हमारी डाइजेशन ट्रैक में हमारा pH बदल देता है. But this doesn't happen with tea. So for those people who have issues with heartburn, you can opt for tea. आप कहीं ये तो नहीं सोच रहे कि कैफीन के कारण मैं आपको ये कह रही हूँ क्योंकि कैफीन टी में कम होता है? ना. It's actually not that. Because even if you reduce the caffeine content of coffee down to that of a tea, coffee still causes acid reflux. Decaffeinated coffee, yani decaf coffee, causes less reflux. So if you still love coffee, you should go for a decaffeinated coffee. और सबसे easy है, go for tea or water if you have acid reflux. ये तो रही good effects of coffee. But unfortunately, there are some side effects of coffee as well. Now, coffee intake can trigger urinary incontinence. Just about 2 cups of coffee a day worth of caffeine can worsen the urinary leakage. कॉफी से ये भी देखा गया है कि डेली कॉफी कंजम्पशन कैन स्लाइटली इंक्रीज द रिस्क ऑफ बोन फ्रैक्चर्स इन विमेन, बट दिस इज डिफरेंट व्हेन इट कम्स टू मेन. इट डज नॉट कॉज एनी फ्रैक्चर इन मेन. कुछ लोग खास करके जिनको ग्लाकोमा की शिकायत होती है या फिर फैमिली हिस्ट्री ऑफ ग्लाकोमा या एपिलेप्सी की शिकायत होती है, दे शुड अवॉइड. जिन लोगों को नींद नहीं आती है, खास करके उनके लिए even a single cup of coffee at night can cause deterioration in sleep quality. And of course in pregnancy, one must avoid drinking coffee. तो कॉफ़ी पीना चाहिए या नहीं ये तो मैंने आपको बता दिया, पर हमें कितना कॉफ़ी पीना चाहिए ये तो सुनिए. People should not drink more than 4 cups of black coffee a day. The standard recommendation for coffee is maximum 4 cups a day or up to 28 cups a week. National Institute of Health, they conducted a study and they found that 6 or more cups of coffee per day increase the risk of heart disease, respiratory diseases, stroke, injuries and diabetes. Now there is a mystery that coffee can increase cholesterol. Cafestol is a compound which is found in the oils of coffee beans. Now this compound called cafestol is responsible for cholesterol. Cafestol gets trapped in filter paper. So drip coffee does not increase cholesterol. So if you are having that South Indian favorite filter coffee, it is not going to increase your cholesterol as much as a French press or Turkish coffee does. In this regards, even decaffeinated coffee does not make much difference. Some coffee beans like Robusta beans have less cafestol as compared to Arabica beans. So you can prefer Robusta beans over Arabica beans to lower your cholesterol. Now the way we roast coffee beans can also impact our health. Roasting of coffee beans from light, medium and dark roasted coffee beans. And this is the most important method because the way the beans are roasted, the coffee imparts flavors and also adds health benefits. For example, dark roast coffee or a filter coffee is better in lowering cholesterol because it reduces a compound which causes cholesterol to go high. It also helps in weight loss. But dark roasting also eliminates very good anti-inflammatory goodies from coffee beans, a compound called chlorogenic acid, by 90%. You know, even a single cup of dark roast coffee can reduce blood sugars in 2 hours. It reduces the sugar spikes. Study shows that it reduces depression, and polyphenols in dark roast coffee helps in weight loss, and it also reduces blood pressure within hours. So which coffee is the best? So coffee selection is a personal choice and you should go by the type of roasting you want. A typical cup of coffee from some of the coffee shops have less chlorogenic coffee, so it is all your personal choice. The way they roast the beans, sometimes they roast way too dark. The more you roast, the less the content of chlorogenic acid. Now the addition of milk completely blunts the good effects from coffee, just like adding milk to a tea. Remember चाय पे चर्चा वाले एपिसोड में मैंने आपको बताया था, इससे बेटर है कि आप पानी या फिर ग्रीन टी पीजिए, कॉफी या टी पीजिए ही मत. Again, it is because of casein which is present in milk. Casein is a protein which is present in animal milk. And again, soy milk coffee isn't much of an issue here, just like soya tea is not much of an issue because it does not have casein. Now, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया, coffee beans have a fatty substance and oil in coffee beans, which makes a significant difference. Now, it was seen that in a French pressed coffee, cholesterol went high, but in a paper filter coffee, cholesterol dropped. This is because in espresso, Turkish or French espresso coffee, fatty components cannot be filtered by paper. Have you seen that sludge, that mud thing which settles in the bottom of the coffee? Is the compound which increases the cholesterol. Roasting of beans से ये भी याद आता है, green coffee extract was huge and was recommended for weight loss. आपने भी ट्राई किया होगा, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिन लोगों ने वेट लॉस करने की कोशिश की, उन लोगों ने ये ट्राई किया होगा, जरूर किया होगा. It had such a huge attention from people around the world. It was hyped by Starbucks and TV doctors, but it was a disgraceful fraud by the researchers who falsified the data which was provided, and the company was fined millions and millions of dollars by Federal Trade Commission in America. So green coffee beans was the biggest myth. डू नॉट यूज ग्रीन कॉफी बीन्स फॉर वेट लॉस। कॉफी विद स्वाति में आपको कॉफी के